everyone. Today I am going to explain you an interesting poem, Macavity the Mystery Cat. It is an interesting poem. It has been composed by T.S. Eliot. In this poem, the poet is telling us about a mystery cat, Macavity. So let's start now. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Macavity, so the poet says, Macavity is a mystery cat and he is called the hidden paw. Hidden paw means panja, छिपा हुआ पंजा. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Macavity is the master criminal and who can defy means disobey the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squad disappear. He is the bafflement means puzzle. So he is the puzzle for the Scotland Yard, the flying squad. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity not there. Why he is the puzzle for Scotland Yard? Because when they reach the scene of crime, there is no Macavity. That's why. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Okay? He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. So Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. Who? Macavity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Levitation means floating on the air. Okay, so his power of floating in the air make a fakir also in surprised. Okay, it means the fakir also surprised by seeing his power of levitation. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. And when you reach at the scene of crime, there is not Macavity. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. Seek means search. You can search him in the basement and you can look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. But I will tell you once that there is not Macavity. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Ginger means cunning, noiseless. Macavity is a cunning cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. You would recognize him. Okay, you would recognize him if you saw him. His eyes are sunken in. Sunken in means deep. It means अंदर की ओर धसी हुई. His eyes are sunken in. His eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His eyebrows are deeply lined. Okay, with thought. His head is highly domed. Domed means high and round. His head is high and round. Next, his coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. His coat is dusty and his whiskers means मूछें. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Sways means move. He can move his head from side to side with movement like a snake. Who? Macavity. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. And when you think that he is half asleep, but actually at that time he always wide awake. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. For he is a fiend and feline shape, a monster of depravity. Fiend means devil, okay, and feline means cat like. So he is a devil in shape of cat. Okay, who? Macavity is a devil monster in cat shape, a monster of depravity. It means Macavity is a giant of moral corruption. Okay, depravity means corruption. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square. You can meet him by street also, and you can see him in the square also. Okay, square means chowk. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. But when the crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. Okay, so I think you will have understood the poem. Okay, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.